Congratulations, you've built your WordPress.com site and now it's time to go live. Before hitting the publish button, let's ensure everything looks great and works as intended. Here is a checklist to follow. The first step is to preview your website. So from your WordPress dashboard, click on the site title top left, and this will take you to the front end of your website. And now you can scroll through all your pages and content to check formatting, images, and links. Make sure everything looks the way you intended. The next step is to make sure your navigation menu works. So click on each navigation menu item to check that it links to the correct pages. Thirdly, test your buttons and forms. If you have contact forms, buttons, or any interactive elements, test them to confirm they work. I'm happy to see that our services call to action that I linked to my services page works. Let's go to our contact page to check that the contact form is in working order. Then I will go ahead and add some dummy content below name, email, and message, and then hit submit. Then we can click on the site title top left again to return to the dashboard. Scroll down and click on feedback, and then you will notice our response that is ready to be reviewed. The last thing on the checklist is to also view your site on other screen sizes. So from your dashboard, make your way to Appearance and click on Editor. Once the site editor opens up, open your home page or any other page, click on the laptop icon, top right, and then you can switch between viewing your page on tablet and mobile. And now I actually see that I don't like the way my site title and site tagline appear on mobile. So I'm going to update that. Let's first open the list view top left and then select the site tagline block. Then I will click on the 3 vertical dots next to the block and select delete. Next, I want to style my site title block. So make sure you select it in the list view. Open the Styles tab on the right. Then I will add a custom size, in this case 25 pixels. Then I will click on the 3 vertical dots next to typography, select appearance, and change the appearance to semi-bold. I am happy with my changes and think this looks better on mobile, so therefore I will hit save top right. And then we can also check what it will look like on tablet and desktop. If you need help with making any final changes, consult the Help Center. Visit the WordPress dashboard and then click on the question mark icon top right. Then you can use the search bar to find recommended resources. Once you have checked everything, you are ready to launch. In your WordPress dashboard at the top, click the blue button with a rocket icon labeled Launch Site. And after you have chosen a domain and completed the checkout, you are live. If you have already launched your site, this blue rocket button won't be available. Instead, check your site's privacy settings by visiting the Sites page. Click the WordPress icon top left, select the relevant site, click on Settings, then you can set your site to Coming Soon, Private, or of course Public. Once you are live, review your site one more time. Check it out as a regular visitor would. Use a browser where you're not logged into WordPress.com and use your phone as well. This way, you'll see exactly what your visitors see. Click around, test out links, buttons, and ensure everything behaves as you want it to. Now that your site has been launched, you can start sharing it with the world and your own network. Share your site link on social media, email newsletters, or directly with friends and clients. The exciting part is your website is now live, giving you the freedom to expand your content and audience at your own pace. Launching your website is a big milestone, and WordPress.com provides numerous tools and resources to help you along the way. Here are some additional resources worth exploring. Number 1, upgrade your plan to unlock more features. Number 2, register a domain if you haven't done so already. Number 3, enhance your site's features with plugins. Or number 4, monetize your site. We will add the relevant links below. Now that you have come to the end of this course, please let us know if this was helpful to you. Were you able to create the website you wanted, and did you run into any hurdles along the way? Take this survey below this video to share your feedback with us. If you need support, visit WordPress.com/support to explore our guides with instructions for all aspects of managing your new site. And join the community forum to connect with other site owners. Thanks for watching, and all the best.